Texel is the largest of the West Frisian Islands, which sit in the Wadden Sea, in the Noord-Holland province of the Netherlands. Texel became an island in 1170 when the All Saints flood severed the area from the mainland. Texel lies only 2 meters above the Wadden Sea. Its highest point is at 19 meters on one of the sand dunes protecting its west coast. Large seawalls protect its eastern flank. Texel's 160 square kilometres are made up of dunes, pastureland, wood and polders. A polder is a tract of low-lying land reclaimed from the sea by dikes. Texel has historically been used for farming and as a haven port for ships, both merchant and military, notably for the Dutch East India Company from the 1600s. Today, agriculture and tourism form the main economic base for the island. Texel has over 200 farms producing dairy and arable produce, flower bulbs, fruit from orchards, and Texelar sheep, a breed of sheep known for lean meat and good knitting wool. Flashes in the distance are the lighthouses of Texel. Sitting as the largest object between the Wadden Sea and the North Sea, Texel has seen many shipwrecks off its coast due to difficult to navigate currents and sandbanks which have been heavily influenced by human activity on and around the island.